how gold is not enough.
Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Breadboard mini series, and in this video we're going to talk about RGB LEDs and how to use it and where the RGB LEDs are used. So now let's talk about what are RGB LEDs and where we use it. So RGB LED stands for red, green, blue LEDs, which can glow in 3 different colors. So here you can see this RGB LED has 4 pins. The first pin makes the LED red. The second pin is the ground pin, which means it is negative pin, and the third pin makes the LED blue, and the fourth pin makes the LED green. And all these 3 pins are positive pins, mean anode, and the second pin is the cathode. And this RGB LED which you are seeing here is the common cathode LED RGB, and you may have seen these RGB LEDs in your PCs or banners. So now let's talk about how to use the RGB LED on the breadboard. So the first component will be a RGB LED, a 9V battery, a voltage regulator, 3 6-pin switches, and some jumper cables. In the previous video I forgot to mention the jumper cables, and the jumper cables are of 3 types. The first one is female to female jumper cables, which do not have pins in the either sides of the wire. The second is the male to female jumper cable, which has pin only the one side of the wire. And the third is the male to male jumper cable, which has pin in the both sides of the wire. So now if you have any doubts you can ask in the comments, and let's start making the circuit. So the app which I'm using is Fritzing, and I'll put the link in the description below. So now I've taken the voltage regulator, which will convert the 9 volts to preferred 5 volts. I put the negative to the negative of the pin of the voltage regulator. I will set the wire color as black, like this. I will put the positive to the positive of the voltage regulator, red, and the output will be of positive 5 volts, and I'll put this in the red rail. And as you can see, the whole line has been highlighted, which is indicating the whole line has for positive 5V charge. And now I'll put the RGB LED. I will connect the resistors in the first and the third and the fourth pin. The second pin is ground, so I'll connect it to the negative. I'll put the negative wire here. I will color this as black, okay. And I put the ground to the ground, and now it's time to bring the switches like this, yeah. And now to power supply the switches. So in the first left of the pin I will put the positive 5 volts, like here, red, sorry, this will go here, this will go here, and this will go right here. And now I will connect the resistors to the switches. I'll put the first and will connect it to the first pin. I'll take the second to the second of the middle pin. Remember to connect it to the middle down pin of the switch after when you connect it to power supply. And then I will take the third to the third switch. And now circuit is ready, and if you have any doubts you can comment us down, and I'll put my email ID in the description. The circuit diagram will be in the description also.